Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a low voltage contractor license, also known as the C7 license in California. So this license is for people who install, service, and maintain low voltage systems that do not go over 91 volts. So this includes CCTV, networking, telephone systems, satellite systems, fiber optics, home automation, and audio or video systems. So to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old and have a social security number or ITIN, and have at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in low voltage work. So this means you can do the work without supervision. So once you qualify, fill out and submit the state application. And after it is processed, you can schedule your exams, and you need to pass the law and business exam and the C7 low voltage trade exam. And after passing both exams, complete the final paperwork and live scan requirements. And once it is approved, you will receive your C7 contractor license number. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.